What's going on, YouTube? So I'm here with my Rustler two-wheel drive. I am fixing the front. As you can see, it's broken in half right now. There's my front tires. What I'm doing is I'm fixing the steering. I replaced the bell crank with the original white plastic bell crank broke. It cracked right here. It cracked right there. And it wasn't working correctly anymore. So I replaced it with the metal bell crank. I mean, aluminum Traxxas. And I also had to replace this. I'm not sure what they call it, but I had to replace this because my post broke off whenever I was driving it because I forgot to put the bolts that go through this way in. So I replaced the bell crank, and I also replaced this. As you can see, I recently dyed the chassis from the gray that it usually is. I dyed everything that I can on this car. I dyed everything black, except the parts that won't dye, like I'm not sure what they call it, but this is like almost like a translucent, like clear plastic, so I couldn't dye that. I tried. And this I have to re-dye again because it's almost like a dark blue color, and I'm trying to get it like almost like a pitch black, like the chassis. But I am fixing this up. It's going to be going here in about 15 minutes. I keep having to take it apart because I'm putting pieces on before. I'm forgetting to put the pieces on that need to go on in a certain way. So I had to take that piece back off, and I am fixing to put it back together. And this is, like I said, this is the Rustler two-wheel drive. I really enjoy driving this car, but I need to replace my plastic drive shafts because I can only run it on 2S right now. And so this is my 2S battery I have charging right here. That's a 10,000 milliamp 2-cell Traxxas battery, and I really want to replace those drive shafts so that I can run this 3S 50C discharge rate, 5200 milliamp. I tried using that battery before, but it kept breaking my drive shaft right here at the not this actual part of the drive shaft, but this part right here. I can't think of what it's called, but this part right here kept breaking. I think I replaced it 3 times, and after the 3rd time, I'm just like, I'm not going to drive it on 3S until I get that the drive shaft replaced with a steel drive shaft. But I'm not sure if I'm going to go with the Traxxas steel drive shaft, or they have, I think it's MHP, MIP. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. The Traxxas is pretty expensive. It's like $80 or $90, and I think it's MHP, MIP. If you're familiar with the Rustler, you're gonna, or if you're into RC, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. But the MHP or MIP is around 50 or 60. So I'm just not sure. I need to read some more reviews and forums and see what I want to get. If you guys have replaced the drive shaft in these before, or you guys have seen a drive shaft that has worked really well on 3S, comment below and let me know, because I'm trying to figure out what I want to put in here. But I'm gonna put this back together, and then I will be out driving it here in a little while, and I will make a video of that. So I'll see y'all later.